செயலாளர் திரு முத்துக்குமார் அவர்கள் சிறப்பு விருந்தினர்களுக்கு வரவேற்புரை வழங்குவார்.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. A warm welcome to one and all of you. We are proud and privileged by the presence of the man, the person who heads the highest Indian office in Kuwait, His Excellency Sri Satish Mehta ji. On behalf of the Tamil Nadu Engineers Forum, we bid a warm welcome to you, sir. We had been to his office just a few days back and extended an invitation. The notice period was too short. It was his kindness and goodness that he accepted to be here with us at a very short notice. Thank you very much, sir. We are a forum of engineers who have a membership of around 500 people. We are very socially active and sensitive too. Right from the days when the country needed our help, during the aftermath of tsunami, until a few months back, when we lost few of our Indian brothers in an accident in the refinery in KNPC. Sir, this forum has come together to collect a fund of about 19,000 KD for these four gentlemen. On this day, we pledge, whenever there is a situation that warrants our help, or whenever you want us fall in line behind you, we will stand behind you at any point of time, sir. With these few words, I welcome you again and request our President to give a presidential address. Thank you.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My distinguished guest from Tamil Nadu, Mr. Tamilari Vimanian avargale, His Excellency Satish Mehta ji, ultimate members, friends, my organizing committee members, ladies, gentlemen, let me have a pleasure of telling a good evening to all of you. தமிழில் பேச வேண்டும், பேச வேண்டும், பாட வேண்டும் என்ற ஆசை, தமிழிலே பேசிவிடுவோம் என்ற ஆவல். ஆனால் தமிழறிவு ஐயா இங்கே இருக்கும் பொழுது என் தமிழ் அறியாமையை வெளிப்படுத்த சுணிச்சலற்ற தமிழனாக நிற்கின்றேன், மன்னிக்கவும். With your permission, please permit me to speak in English. Tamil Nadu Engineers Forum, 13 long years, a wonderful history, hundreds of seminars, more than 25 to 30 family get-togethers. This history has been made by you members and the families. Today we are very much on a crossroad. We are venturing towards 2020. You could have seen the change, a change which has been worked up, strategically planned, executed at a very fast, very fast pace. Thanks to the great organizing committee's help for this. It's a small change, plenty more to come. Before I walk towards what we saw planned for 2020, I need to say a big thank you for our founders. A group of talented stalwarts. Nagarajan, Yuvaraj, Muthukrishnan, founder President A.N. Natarajan, and our committee of 99-2000 truly thought that we need a space. We are leaders. We need a space for ourselves. We need to have a quench for our talents. We need to have a quench for what we are in this society. It has been planned very well, executed in the last 13 years, 12th year and now the 13th year. I need to thank all these people for the specific ideas, sir. Some of them are here, especially Yuvaraj and Mr. A. Natarajan. Thank you very much, sir, for giving us the chance. We are here today from what you had all thought about us. 100 odd of these members over here would have seen the walk in the last 12 to 13 years. We are moving. But at this moment, we need to really take 3 important pledges. Pledge number 1, each Defian is equal, irrespective of age, irrespective of stature, irrespective of what he is in society. Pledge number 2, we maintain highest level of decorum. And what it doesn't mean is that we shall never leave the auditorium before the vote of thanks is said. Pledge number 3. Pledge number 3. We maintain highest level of discipline. We maintain highest level of discipline. We are the leaders. We are the people who show what others are to do. We have been managers, we have been administrators, we have been technical experts. So let us show our talent today as what we are even in the dining hall. One of the basic reasons for what TEF was formed is the highest level of networking among us. It was networking to improve our knowledge both in the technical sphere and in the worldly knowledge. Today, as we are walking towards the 2020, a lot of strategic decisions have to be made. Some of them have been made by a strategic group of people. We have already formed a committee for that, and we are already in discussion with that. And some of the implementation which you have seen today, and the great inspiring video with the Coimbatore Tamil explaining the whole details of the TEF website, is a small insight. We are already planning for our November 18, 2012's international seminar. You could see some of the details about it on the website. You could have seen one small change or possibly one large change too. The small change was the design of the email. The large change was asking you to register for the program. You could have also seen that we have made registration mandatory. We stopped registration yesterday at 7 o'clock because we had already surpassed the figure of 872, and today we are more than 950 over here. Okay, this was strategically planned. As organizing committee members, it is our duty to ensure your comfort. We need to have your inventory. That's a need. That's the reason why we have made this a mandatory matter to ensure that registration is required to attend the program. And you would have also seen one small implementation today. We have given a color-coded dining cards. The color codes has got a specific reason. Only those colors which are going to be called for first are the people who are going to dine, and we are others going to relish our time networking among ourselves and our family inside the auditorium. It's an intention of the TEF group to ensure that we happily move along as a single large family of 1,000 odd people. And one important reason I would like to say here is, all of us would be interested in doing our engineering degree in Anna University. The team of 6 professors are visiting Kuwait on the 5th, 6th and 7th of next month, and TEF is coordinating the activity, and you can all have a meeting with all of them. The Dean of MIT, the Dean of College of Engineering Guindy are also coming along with the 6 people. As we are moving forward in this 2012 year, I repeat, you would all be relishing some changes, and we are also planning to have a governance body. Very soon we shall be informing about the governance body to ensure that TEF is moving in the right path. Here I would like to strategically say, TEF would like to be a challenger for Indian Institute of Engineers Kuwait chapter. TEF would like to be a challenge for the American Society of Safety Engineers Kuwait chapter. American Institute of Mechanical Engineers, Kuwait chapter, and for that matter, we would like to be even a challenger for the Association of Indian Professionals in Kuwait. But TEF, under no circumstance, would like to be a contender or a competitor for any of the cultural associations that are prevailing in Kuwait. I want to reiterate this matter to ensure the reason that TEF is formulated to ensure that we live as one large family, exchanging our views, exchanging our pleasures, exchanging our griefs. You could have seen a decorative change in our logo. This has been specifically done, and we have also ensured a feedback forum in our website. Those of you who have any feedbacks, positive or negative, anything, because we are all engineers, we can have our own opinion. Whichever is creative, whichever is going to be a use for this large community of 1,000 odd, we shall implement. So we have decided that the next 24 hours, we leave it for the feedback session to give your yes or a no for the logo. If there's going to be any difference, we would like to hear it. We have set our path. We are here to proceed further. With your due permission, I kindly say that everything that's being done here is done with an intention to propel TEF towards 2020. I seek your cooperation. I kindly request you to be with us, be as a team. Let TEF move forward. Let the younger generation benefit. Let's all remain one large united family. Valga India Bharatamaadam.